वेलकम टू एसओएमपी। आज के बिग पिक्चर डिबेट का टॉपिक है इंडियाज विजन फॉर इंडो पैसिफिक। ये जो टॉपिक आप रिलेट कर सकते हैं जीएस पेपर 2 इन दीज सब टॉपिक्स एंड ये पैनलिस्ट है आज के डिस्कशन के। सो लेट अस सी कि कंटेक्स्ट क्या है। हाल ही में रशिया के फॉरेन मिनिस्टर ने क्लेम किया है न्यू दिल्ली दैट इज इंडिया इज एक्टिंग एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वेस्ट persistent, aggressive, and the devious policy against China in the Indo-Pacific region. मतलब रशिया क्लेम करता है कि इंडिया इज अडॉप्टिंग अ डिवाइसिव अप्रोच टू कर्ब इंडियाज टू कर्ब China's influence in the Indo-Pacific region. Also, the Russian minister has criticized the Quad grouping. So, पहली बात तो in response to this, our external minister has outrightly rejected the Russians' claim. In fact, he said that India has always pursued an independent foreign policy based on its national interest. एंड साथ ही साथ उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि इंडिया का जो विजन है फॉर द इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन इट इज नॉट डायरेक्टेड अगेंस्ट एनी कंट्री एंड स्पेशली चाइना. So let us see in brief कि रशिया का क्या कंसर्न है with this Indo Pacific and specifically the Quad grouping. रशिया क्लेम करता है कि ये जो इंडो पैसिफिक प्लॉय है दैट इज द इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन में जो मूव है इट वाज एन अटेम्प्ट टू रिकॉन्फ़िगर द एग्जिस्टिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड टू मूव अवे फ्रॉम द आसियान सेंट्रिक कंसेंसस. फिलहाल तो इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन में आसियान सेंट्रिक कंसेंसस होते हैं बट ये जो अभी इंडो पैसिफिक मूव हो रहा है ड्यू टू द स्क्वाड ग्रुपिंग रशिया क्लेम कर रहा है कि इट माइट मूव अवे फ्रॉम दिस आसियान सेंट्रिक कंसेंसस. ये जो इंडो पैसिफिक ओशन सिस्टम है ये कैरी करता है अबाउट 65% ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ट्रेड एंड contributes about 60% of the global GDP. Also, 90% of the India's international trade it travels on its waters. So you can imagine how important is this region for India specifically and at world at large as well. So, ये जो रशिया है ये क्लेम कर दे हैव मेजरली क्लेम्ड ऑन दिस क्वाड ग्रुपिंग. उन्हें लगता है कि ये जो क्वाड है इट इज गोइंग टू अफेक्ट द नॉन मेंबर्स ऑफ द ग्रुपिंग स्पेशली द नॉन स्मॉल नेशंस ऑफ आसियान. Also, the inclusion of Australia in the last Malabar exercise, it has sent a clear signal to the non-members of the Quad grouping that there is going to be a military phase to the Quad. The members of the Quad, they do not, right now, they do not have any common agenda, and साथ ही साथ, they are not on board on many issues. So these were few concerns which were raised by Russia recently. So let us see कि इंडिया का क्या स्टैंड है इस पे. A prime minister in the Shangri-La dialogue उन्होंने कहा कि ये जो इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन है it is neither a strategy nor a club of limited members directed against any specific country but ये एक purely geographical construct है and it is to ensure a free open and inclusive region in which countries both inside and outside the Indo-Pacific region would participate. So India is trying to explain Russia the basic cause that is we need to ensure that in the global commons of this region that is there should be a freedom of navigation, resolution of disputes through dialogues and an international law should be there to regulate all the activities in this region. Also, इंडिया के फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी ने डिफाइन किया है इंडियाज व्यू ऑफ द इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन एज स्ट्रेचिंग फ्रॉम east coast of Africa all the way to the west coast of US. India's vision for the Indo-Pacific it includes securing end-to-end supply chains in the region, no disproportionate dependence on the single country, and they need to and it also ensure that prosperity honi chahiye among all the stakeholder nations. So the Indo-Pacific region it is basically guided by norms and governed by rules with freedom of navigation, open connectivity, and respect for the territorial integrity and sovereignty of all the states. And this is the article of faith for India as well. So this is what the India's view on Indo-Pacific. Let us see कि Quad का क्या role है in this Indo-Pacific region. ये जो क्वाड की ग्रुपिंग है इट इज ऑफ 4 डेमोक्रेसीज इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया यूएस एंड जापान. यू कैन सी दैट और ये जो चारों कंट्रीज हैं इट इज बॉर्डरिंग समहाउ द इंडियन ओशंस और द पैसिफिक ओशन. So that means it is bordering this Indo-Pacific region. So Quad is an opportunity for the like-minded countries to share notes and collaborate on projects of mutual interest. Members यहाँ पे share करते हैं a vision of open and free Indo-Pacific region. Each is involved in development and economic projects, as well as they are promoting maritime domain awareness and maritime security. Currently देखा जाए तो ये जो क्वाड ग्रुपिंग है it is still in the fledgling phase, that is emerging phase में है, and a clearer image of what it will evolve to it is yet to obtain. But few improvements दिखे हैं हमें इस ग्रुप में in the recent times. There has been an increased participation from all the four countries. That too, they have declared several issues as their agenda of the meeting, such as pandemic हो गया, economic recovery, connectivity, infrastructure, cyber security as well. So थोड़े बहुत improvements दिखे हैं अभी इस quad groupings में. So Quad is believed to have the potential to go from a very loose structure organization to a very cohesive structure organization in a very short span of time. So let us see what can be the strategy which needs to be adopted. Um, First of all, all the stakeholders they should come together and they should define what Quad is. They should also have the common agenda. China देखा जाए is a big elephant in the room and कभी भी abide नहीं करते rules को. So there is a need to have a military component in the Quad to curb this coercive action taken by the China. mm, in these regions. Also, small nations in the region must be told that ये जो Quad है, it is in the fledgling organization, that is अभी emerging phase में ही है, and it is yet to evolve with time. So countries should not worry about this. Options होने चाहिए Quad के expansion को. Numbers of countries, including some in the ASEAN and Europe, is already forming up with their Indo-Pacific strategies and outlook. जैसे countries like France, Germany, and Netherlands सोच रहे हैं join करने का. Also, India and France has been collaborating closely on the Indo-Pacific region. Country like Germany, it has announced that one of its warship would be patrolling in the Indian Ocean and make port calls in the Australia and French Reunion Islands, which is in the Indo-Pacific region. Also, country like Canada, it is also looking to come out with the Indo-Pacific strategy. The voyage came at the time of heightened military tensions, which has happened between China and Taiwan. So, we need to look for the Quad expansion as well. So these can be the few measures or strategy which can be adhered to. So the conclusion is a lot of progress has already been made over the last 3 years as far as Quad is concerned, and it is already on its way of institutionalization and formalization at the ministerial meetings. So Quad को हम expand कर सकते हैं to ensure the contributions from ASEAN and other nations of the region, countries like Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia, it can become a strong partners in the Quad grouping. And देखा जाए तो India needs a strong navy to play a meaningful role in this region, so it must invest in it as well. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment on it. Also subscribe to the channel. You can also join our Telegram channel, which is at the rate SOMP Guidance, for further updates. Thank you.